I'll take the stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field, live or die, I'll follow.
Nations rant, kingdoms rage, forces join for war. Sabres rattle, rulers threaten, hear the mocking roar. Mountains shift, the ocean surge, troubles coming soon. We'll hear the cost, I'll bear the cross, and I will follow you.
I'll ride with thee, my king, I'll take the stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field, live or die, I'll follow.
My arm is weak, my sword is dull, my arm is rusted thin, and I struggle with the backward glance, the coward's favorite sin. Fear doubt can shake resolve, turn day to blackest night. If you, my king, lead from the front, I'll follow to the fight.
I'll ride with thee, my king, I'll take the stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field, live or die, I'll follow. The stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field, live or die, I'll follow. The foe is gone and battle won, the war is never o'er. We travel on, though cheered by none, to reach a distant shore. None may know how much we've lost or victories that we've won. Though peace may reign, to hold your standard high we struggle on. I'll ride with thee, my king, I'll take the stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field, live or die, I'll follow. I'll ride with thee, my king, I'll take the stirrup cup and swallow with sword and shield. I'll take the field,